How to turn on light mode on DeepSeek AI. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable light mode on DeepSeek AI. So let's get started. You can also do this on iPhone and Android. The steps are same on both of the devices, and if you're even using it on PC, you can follow similar steps. So first of all, you got to open your DeepSeek AI interface. And once you're in your interface, you got to click on these two lines over here at the top left. So once you click on that, you'll be able to see your recent chats as well as your profile at the bottom left. So just click on your profile. And once you click on that, you'll be redirected to your settings. Now over here, you'll be able to see an option that says color scheme. So you can just click on that. And right now you can see it is dark. So if you wish to change it to light mode, you can just click on light. And now you can see that the app has been changed to light mode, and you can see that my DeepSeek AI has been changed to light mode. You can also change it according to your system settings. For example, when I enable it as system, now if my system is dark, the DeepSeek AI application would be dark. Now if I make my system go on light mode, you can see that DeepSeek AI interface has changed accordingly. So that was how you can change your DeepSeek AI into light mode. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.